I want to share with you, art teachers, one of my favorite little things I do with my kids that has been a game changer, and that is drawing books. And I teach a 6-week class, and that means they come and they go really, really fast. And I like everything to be in one place, so I don't have papers all over the place. All right, so I saw this little sketchbook somewhere. I don't even remember where now, but I have used it and I love it. And it is an 8-page drawing book on one side. And then if we unfold it, we also have another 8 pages. And you can see this person is almost done with the Hexter, and they have had, you know, different studies on here, different drawings that are due. And then they also have a calendar on here, which is awesome for their bell work, which is a whole nother thing, which is super important. We're gonna fold that in half, 18 by 24 piece of paper. Fold it in half, fold it in half again. There we go, folding it in half again, and the third time folding it, so folding it 3 times. There we go. Easy schmeezy, lemon squeezy. All right, that third time's a little tough, but we can do it. Then we unfold it like so, and then I, or your teacher, will put in a mark from the fold to the middle, like so, from the fold to the middle. Then cut that line. Okay, so here I go, cutting that line. Chop, chop. So now it's like this. Now we've been in hamburger so far, but we want to go to hot dog. So now that we have our little thing cut, we're gonna unfold it, refold it into a hot dog. Delicious. And then we're going to take and open up the diamond that's in the middle. We're gonna squish the diamond like so, fold the paper, and then what we have is a 4-page or 8-page sketchbook. There you go. No tape, staplers, nothing. Just a few cuts, fold, easy. All right, so we've got our drawing book made. We have it in our 4 pages like that, so which gives us 8 sheets on this side and 8 sheets in the middle. And now we're gonna label it. So my first label is gonna be my first and last name, drawing 1. So you're gonna write your first, your last name, and drawing 1. If this were my drawing book, I'd write Mrs. and Mertz, because my first name is Mrs. Then we're gonna turn it to the next page. First and last name, drawing 2. First and last name, drawing 3. And for the anticipators, that's right, first and last name, drawing 4. And that's all you need. 4 pages for your drawing. Bell work page, so we're gonna turn it to the next page, and I'm gonna get a little glue, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue on here, and I'll glue it for you. There we go, a little dab will do ya. And then we have our calendar. So here's our calendar. This is a Hexter calendar, and we're gonna just put it right where that glue was and smooth it just like so. And then throughout the Hexter, every day when you come in, you're gonna have a drawing on the board for your daily drawing. and you're going to be drawing that in each little day. Now if you're gone, you got neighbors, just ask them what you missed and get it filled in. I have this worth 3 points. If you just do the drawing, it's 1 point. If you are doing the drawing and some coloring, it's 2 points. And if the whole thing's colored, 3 points per week, which does add up. So that's our next thing to do, is get our calendar put in. Love the calendar. Love knowing what day it is. Love knowing when the Hexter ends, when the end of art is. Just helps keep us organized. Make sure this stays in the room. It's not good to take this with you. We want it every day. Very important. So by the end of art, you are going to have 4 drawings. You can see here the drawings are filling the whole page. This one hasn't been done yet, but we have other things in our drawing book like color wheels, bell work, studies for different materials. Where am I storing this? Well, let's look over here. Okay, so this is a supply area, all right? So I've got all my tote trays. If I'm in 6th hour, I'm gonna put my drawing book in 6th hour. You can see here's some drawing books for the kids that are in 6th hour. Look at these wonderful drawings. And so that's where you're gonna keep your drawing book. Then you also have supplies. All right, we've got colored pencils, we've got crayons, markers. All right, these are your supplies. And rulers, Kleenexes. Also, we have aprons hanging over here. And this is a sink that they use, paper towels, all that. So this is a self-contained group. Got trash cans over here, and we've got outlets coming down from the ceiling so that we don't have cords on the floor as a tripping hazard. Very important, be safe. Have a game changer in your classroom where you're much happier, because art is a happy place, and we got to do stuff to make ourselves happy and our kids happy. Thanks for watching.